everyone, welcome to Wings Beauty. In this vlog, I'm gonna show you about the skincare tips. If you want to try skincare and take care about your skins, but you don't know where to start and what should we do or not, so this video is for you. And you feel more confidence.
And dance in the stardust gentle flow.
So first of all, our daily steps are the same no matter what skin type you have. So as you can see, this is all the steps we have to follow it. So let's start. Tip for a day: wash your face twice a day with gentle cleanser. Exfoliating is great. Skin cells are continually turning over, but as you get older and depending on your surroundings, they may require assistance to properly soften. Exfoliate once or twice a week can assist your skin. So personally, I love the rice mask. Rice mask can have many benefits for your skin, including skin whitening, anti-aging, protecting your skin barrier. So rice can be help lightening dark spots and scars and give your skin glow.
We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite.
The next is moisturizer. Moisturize is most important part of skincare. It's help to hydrate, moisturize, and the skin barrier moisturize creates positive barrier. And choose a moisturizer that works with your skin type. The most critical things you can do for your skin is to wear sunscreen. When properly applied, sunscreen shields your skin from the sun's ultraviolet rays, which are the responsible for sunburn, skin cancer, and easily signs for aging, including wrinkles and age spots. Healthy food. A few studies have found eating a diet high of fruit and vegetables can improve skin tone and help with the complex. So if you don't know what should be good for your skin or not, so this is the skincare tips for your skin do and don'ts. Exfoliate your skin at least once a week. Wear sunscreen on your face every day. Cleaning your makeup brushes regularly. Use a toner to balance your pH skin. Don'ts. You should be avoid a long hot shower, avoid using too many products, avoid touching your face, avoid heavy greasy products. So, a skincare routine can have many benefits including healthy skin, improved skin texture, reduce appearance of wrinkle, even skin tone. So if you like my skincare routine, so please do like and subscribe to my channel to explore more videos like this. Thanks for watching.
As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.